Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the essential steps for getting started in e-commerce. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this video will provide you with a roadmap to build a successful online business. Let's get started. Step 1. Find your niche. The first crucial step in e-commerce is finding a profitable niche. Look for products or services that align with your interests and have a market demand. Research trends, competitors, and target audiences to narrow down your niche and find your unique selling proposition. Step 2. Conduct market research. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to conduct thorough market research. Understand your target audience, their preferences, and their pain points. This knowledge will help you tailor your products, pricing, and marketing strategies for maximum impact. Step 3. Choose the right e-commerce platform. Selecting the right e-commerce platform is crucial for your online business. Consider factors like ease of use, customization options, payment gateways, and scalability. Popular options include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Step 4. Set up your online store. Once you have your niche and platform, it's time to set up your online store. Choose a visually appealing design, optimize your product pages, and ensure smooth navigation. Don't forget to integrate secure payment gateways and implement effective inventory management. Step 5. Develop a marketing strategy. Having a solid marketing strategy is key to driving traffic and sales. Utilize various channels like social media, content marketing, SEO, and paid advertising. Build an engaging brand presence, create valuable content, and use data analytics to refine your strategies. Step 6. Fulfillment and customer service. Ensure smooth order fulfillment and provide excellent customer service. Partner with reliable shipping carriers, streamline your inventory management, and promptly address customer inquiries and concerns. Positive customer experiences lead to repeat business and referrals. Step 7. Analyze and optimize. Continuously analyze your e-commerce metrics and make data-driven decisions. Monitor sales, conversion rates, website traffic, and customer behavior. Use this information to identify areas for improvement and optimize your strategies for better results. Getting into the e-commerce industry can offer numerous benefits for entrepreneurs and businesses. Here are some advantages of entering the e-commerce industry. Low startup costs. Compared to traditional brick-and-mortar businesses, starting an e-commerce venture often requires lower upfront investment. There's no need to lease or purchase physical retail space, and initial inventory costs can be minimized through dropshipping or on-demand production models. Global market reach. E-commerce allows you to transcend geographical boundaries and sell to customers worldwide. With an online store, you can tap into a vast global market, reaching potential customers who may not have access to your products or services locally. This opens up immense growth opportunities. Flexibility and convenience. E-commerce offers unparalleled flexibility in terms of working hours and location independence. You can operate your business from anywhere, whether it's your home office, a co-working space, or even while traveling. This flexibility allows you to achieve a better work-life balance and pursue your entrepreneurial aspirations. Increased sales potential. By having an online presence, you can be accessible to customers 24/7. This availability extends beyond regular store hours, enabling customers to make purchases at their convenience. The ability to generate sales around the clock can significantly boost your revenue potential. Now, to conclude everything, starting an e-commerce business can be both challenging and rewarding. Remember to stay focused, be adaptable, and stay informed about the latest industry trends. With perseverance and the right strategies, you can build a thriving online business. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this guide helpful for getting started in e-commerce. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.